if you present your fans with the option to pay you for the art that they say they're fans of, and they say that you're wrong or bad for it, then guess what? They're not your fans. They are fans of taking advantage of you. You know, I realized a long time ago that views and likes and comments and people saying, I love you, or you changed my life, I watch you every day, those things do not put food in my stomach or water in my house, my RV, right? They don't. So I was so afraid to ask for money for the longest time. Number one, I didn't want to ask for it because I felt guilty for asking for money for my art. Why? Well, mainly because people would tell me I'm a bad person for asking for it. And then the other thing was because the mindset, oh, wealthy people are bad. Wealthy people do bad things and blah, blah, blah. And so TikTok really messed me up too when I started going live, or, this is a free live stream, people would say, or when I started making my products and all kinds of different things. I don't make the products anymore through those different apps, or I really didn't do that for long, but I have my own products. They were you're too expensive. Well, I didn't think about it. Well, why are they arguing about the price? If they wanted it, they would just pay the price. I paid the price. I slept outside. I have no apologies. I don't regret anything. I'm really glad that I learned the way I did. I learned the hard way, and that's why I want to teach you, because I learned everything the hard way, and that's why I'm really glad and thankful that I did, because I learned everything the hard way, it seems like. Not anymore. I'm not going to do this anymore, right? But here's the thing. I do this channel, this YouTube channel, and I created my business, I'm Worth It Incorporated, to show you that you are worth it and that you can do it. And that's why I'm asking for money from now on. Okay, so, and I want you to learn from my mistakes quicker. Okay, so my name is Liberty, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment, leave a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. And this is going to be short, sweet, straight to the point. Like I said, I got a Patreon now, and I have 2 levels. One's for $1. You basically get a thank you from me. And then the other is $5. Hold on. $5. Why do I have to use my hand? Oh, $5. It's only $5, like a little kid. I don't know. But the second level is $5. You get free access. Early access to my new YouTube episodes. You get early access to my blogs. You get a 20% discount on my merch, which I have in my store, and you get your name in the credits of my YouTube channel as well. So thank you so much for considering being a patron of mine on Patreon, okay? So, because I know I'm worth it. Here's the thing. If you're an artist, you're going to support other artists. Sometimes you may not have the money to support other artists, but you are going to support them, and you're going to be kind to them. You're going to be polite to them. You're not going to tell them, oh, they cost too much, or you shouldn't ask for money. You wouldn't do that. So, basically, my fan base, quote-unquote, my family, really, is the people who are artists who actually work at their art every day, want to get better, and want to grow, and we're a community here, okay? So thank you so much for being part of the I'm Worth It community. Don't be afraid to ask for money, okay? That's it. I'm just going to end it right there. Don't be afraid to ask for money, because I don't know a soul on this planet that works every single day and puts their, number one, they don't care about it. Most people, they work, they get paid, but I don't know anybody that would work this hard and actually bleed from their face, sacrifice, be homeless at one point like I was. And hopefully you're not making those. Hopefully you have a job right now and you had to learn how terrible a job is, but you're not, and you're doing, your 9 to 5, but you're at home at night doing your podcast, your YouTube channel, your music and stuff. You're doing that stuff at night, and so you can get out of the 9 to 5 and transition. I didn't really have that option to transition. For the longest time, I was one of those people who didn't work and still got paid. I'm a veteran of the United States Army, and I'm insane in the membrane, so they give me a check every month, and if you're white and you get a check every month from disability, then you know that it's not enough to have a normal life, to eat healthy food and have a place to live, especially in LA, but anyway, I'm done with that life, and I plan on going up, so I have no apologies. I'm glad I did it the way I did it. I had to learn the hard way, but hopefully you can learn quicker than I did. Don't be afraid to ask for money, because you deserve it. See, you are worth it, but here's the thing. Everybody's worthy, but you deserve it. What does deserving mean? Worthy, everybody's worthy. We're human lives, right? But you deserve it because you earned it. Deserving means you earned it. You work for it. Okay, so don't be afraid to ask for money. Check out my Patreon link below. Check out all my links, my store, www.imworthitink.com. You can buy merch, got tons of cool stuff there. And if you sign up for my email, you get $5 off your first purchase, okay? I love you guys. Thank you so much. If you have a fan base and they claim that they enjoy what you're creating, and then you ask them for money for the things you're creating, then guess what? They are not fans of you. They are fans of taking advantage of you. Don't let them take advantage of you, okay? You're worth it and you earned it. Thank you so much.